Thikoni ni tu mbere ya ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta EPRA rwanĩrĩire thogora uria ũkũhũthĩka nginyagia gatagata-inĩ ka mweri ũkĩte. Rĩu thirikari nĩ yumĩrĩtie na kũheana kĩĩranĩro kĩngĩ kĩgiĩ thogora wa ndithũrũ. Minista wa hinya wa thitima na maguta OPIYO Wandayi akiuga atĩ thogora wa ndithũrũ nĩ ũkũgũa.
Government will ensure a further reduction in diesel prices in the next monthly review, recognizing that diesel powers transport, agriculture, manufacturing, and the wider economy. Lower diesel prices ultimately translate into lower costs for businesses and is a greater relief for Kenyan families.
Kiiraniro giki giukite riri gukoretwo kuri na matanya manene kuma kuri AKENYA mate thogora wa maguta ni ugucoka thi mweri uyu, na itemi-ini ria kugeria gukinyaniria matanya maya. Wandayi augite ati ona maguta ma kuhuthika nginyagia muthia-ini wa mweri ukite ni marikitie guka guku bururi-ini.
Now, despite the global volatility, Kenya has maintained a stable position with decisive steps to ensure adequate and uninterrupted supply of petroleum products. Fuel deliveries have already been secured through the end of July this year, ensuring uninterrupted supply and shielding Kenyans from shortages and the disruptions experienced elsewhere.
And one of the things we would like to commend is the speed at which price stabilization money, which we call subsidy, has been continuously released to the industry. I think we have not seen that before. And though the situation is still volatile in Iran, and we don't know how long this issue will protract, we're very grateful that I think we are seeing what government is doing and the assurances we've gotten that indeed our supply is secured even for the next 1-2 months, that we can reliably say that we have sufficient fuels, and with the government intervention that also the prices will come down, especially at the on the diesel side, which is the driver of production.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari yugite ati ona thogora wa thitima ni ucokete thi mweri uyu wa gatandatu. Makinya maya mothe Wandayi akiuga ati ni makugeria kunyihiria Kenya garama ya iguru ya muturire.
In this cycle of June 2026, electricity costs have reduced by some Kenya shillings 0.2685 per kilowatt hour. This reduction is driven by a significant drop in the forex adjustment component of our tariff, a decrease in the fuel energy cost, and increased hydropower generation. This reflects our commitment to ensuring that gains within the sector are shared directly.
Wandayi akwaragia thutha wa mucemanio na ngwatanĩro ya NIYANIRIIRE guku bururi-ini KM, mucemanio uria uma wa kwarĩrĩria moritũ maria makoretwo makĩng'ethera biacara cia iganda, na umwe wa maũndũ maria marĩrĩirio na njĩra ndikĩru nĩ thogora wa igũrũ wa thitima.
So we want to ensure that this government gives us continuous supply so that we have no outages, especially for industrial sectors, and we can be able to continue operation as we attract more investments and expand the growth of industries.
We committed to supporting productive sectors and lowering the cost of doing business, in line with the commitment that was made by His Excellency the President.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani wa Gũnjĩrĩ.